Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, while we were in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the masjid, all of a sudden a desert Arab came and he started urinating standing in the masjid. Some of the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Halt, halt." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Do not stop him. Short while passing water, let him urinate." The companions radiyallahu anhum let him. When he had passed water, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam called him and said, "These mosques are not to be defiled with urine or other filth. These are only for remembering Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, performing prayers, and reciting the Quran." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked one of the companions to fetch a bucket full of water. He fetched the bucket of water and split water over it. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 659.